So folks, how are you doing? I'm here in the office doing a bit of editing, and in fact I had gone out to Connemara, out to a very special place that has one beach after the other. It was around the May bank holiday, I think. The weather wasn't great, and but I put some footage together, and I'm just editing it at the moment. And if you'd like to take a look and see about my adventure out there and maybe guess where exactly I was on the west coast, that might be something. Anyway, have a look at this. So I'm in my chimney and I'm coming out along this little peninsula. Wait till I show you. Oh, there's the traditional kirk, and then it opens up onto all of this. And I'm going to walk down over this hill. So guys, I'm here. Little chimney's parked up. I'm going to head out over this hill here. And at this time of the year, it's absolutely incredible. The flora and the fauna. Just the beginning of May, these little violas, absolutely gorgeous. And out over these fields, heading for the Atlantic. And everywhere, nestled between the rocks at the sea, beautiful Armeria. Absolutely amazing. Then we come to the very first beach. Nobody here, there, just me. Birds, the bees. Beautiful. I'm walking along then, across this landscape, and the rocks, the fields, on to the next beach. That sea absolutely looks so inviting. Anyway, let's keep going. And of course the bird life is extraordinary. Wonderful bird life out at the sea. It's beautiful. Look at those. I have to say, guys, I really feel at home by the sea. Peace and the calm. Anyway, let's get on to the next beach. And it's generally just grass and sand, but in some places you're going to encounter obviously a few rocks to get over and that, but fairly gentle and little streams to pass like this one. But we're almost on the next beach. And again, more of these beautiful sand dunes, and then another beach. And you might just see also right down there in the distance another beach. So we're heading in that direction. Let's keep going. Absolutely spectacular. Couldn't be anywhere else in the world. And not another human in sight. So I hope you're enjoying me sharing this with you guys, no matter where you are today. Sorry about the wind. Forgot the old microphone. Anyway, let's head on. Now that's very inviting. No togs, no towel. Well, I fancy a dip. Only one thing for it. Whoa, that was most refreshing. Unbelievable. Guys, I'd recommend it. Anyway, I'm going to continue on my journey and see what else we can see today. Yes, just beyond the rock, a hare peeping up. There he goes. Look at that. Unbelievable. Beautiful. This place is absolutely full of nature. Majestic animal. These hares out here in this beautiful scenic landscape. My goodness, look where his home is. Fantastic. Beauty of the west coast of Ireland. Just love it. And there are so many different types of seaweeds here along the coast. Well, I don't believe there's too many places you can go in the world. arrive at a beautiful beaches just like this, and be alone. It's incredible, just with nature, the sea, the birds, the sky. Unreal. Hope you've enjoyed. Just when you think you've seen everything, the Irish donkey, used for centuries by the local people. Wonderful little animal. Of course, not forgetting these gorgeous creatures. The Irish cow, the dairy cow, famous around the world for producing milk and amazing meat. So folks, I hope you've enjoyed part of my trip, no matter where you were today. Maybe my experience was giving you some. If you can make it to Ireland, to the west coast, and maybe staying on the Wild Atlantic bus, you won't be disappointed. See you soon. Take care of yourselves.